Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to see 3138 East Wyndam Court in Rosewood, just off of Hyde Park. Let's take a look. There are two bedroom suites on the main level. This is the first suite in the front of the unit, which makes a great office study also. I love the openness of this floor plan. It has a two-story gallery. You have hardwood floors that accent throughout the main level, plus this beautiful gas fireplace. This kitchen has a wonderful design. There's a breakfast room, a dining area. You have upmarket finishes, espresso stained cabinetry, 48 inches, granite, marble backsplash, and professional appliances. The main level primary suite has a beautiful walk-in closet, a spa bath, plus you have the secluded wooded feel behind you that surrounds this home. The upper level of this home has 3 additional bedrooms. One of them is also a suite and a loft overlook with a really beautiful gallery feel. This upper level bedroom I think would be a great study or a den. Plus, it's got a great little attic space that's perfect for additional storage. The upper level bedrooms are dormer spaces with huge walk-in closets. The nice thing about this home is there's enough living space on the main that you could completely occupy the main level and never go up. But this is great guest space and it's really wonderful overflow. This is the largest of the upper bedrooms. It is a bedroom suite, and it also has a beautiful view of the wooded space behind. These garden homes are a little unique. You actually own your own yard even though it's low maintenance. So this has a 1/4 of an acre that extends all the way over, widest side yard I believe in the neighborhood, plus it's next to a vacant green space that will provide even additional privacy. The rear of the home has a beautiful secluded wooded area behind, plus the beautiful side yard that we discussed. I hope you've enjoyed this video open house of 3138 East Wyndam Court. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com. Please feel free to contact me for a personal tour at 812-360-5333.